Miami Beach is famous for many things: white, sandy beaches, parties, and fun in the sun. But would you believe that you can visit a 12th century monastery there too? Stick around to find out more. We visited Miami for one of my husband's work conferences and had a great time exploring the area from the comfort of the gorgeous Fontainebleau Miami Resort. While most of Miami is vibrant and modern, I did read about something completely unexpected for the area and just had to check it out. A true blue 12th century monastery called Saint Bernard de Clairvaux can be visited right in North Miami Beach, a bit of a change in pace from other popular hotspots in the city. How on earth does North Miami Beach have a monastery that old on premises? It's a bit of a tale, but I'm happy to share it here with you. The building was originally constructed in 1141 in Sacramenia, Spain, and inhabited by Cistercian monks for about 700 years. A war forced the monks out, and the monastery became one of the world's fanciest stables. In 1925, newspaper bigwig William Randolph Hearst bought the monastery and decided to move it stateside. The monastery was disassembled stone by stone, packed in hay in carefully numbered boxes, and shipped overseas. But as luck would have it, an outbreak of hoof and mouth disease hit Spain at the time of shipping. So when the boxes got to America, they were busted open and the hay burned to prevent the spread of disease. The stones were left a jumbled mess. In even more bad luck, Hearst himself went into financial stress and had to abandon the monastery project. After his death 26 years later, the forgotten stones were sold off to two businessmen from Ohio who decided to reconstruct the monastery in Miami.
The walls of the cloister wall began to take shape. The stones had to be fitted into their proper places. Some of the stones weighed more than 1.5 tons. 1 year after the work had begun, the monastery was nearly half completed, but thousands of stones still remained to be fitted in place.
Called the world's biggest jigsaw puzzle, the monastery reconstruction took 19 months and cost more than $1 million. But it was worth it. At the entrance to the monastery, you will find a small museum with a handful of relevant artifacts. My favorite item, although morbid, was the funerary hearse. Then it's off to explore the monastery itself. The grounds are known for their beautiful gardens, mysterious-looking banyan trees, and a stone maze you can weave through. The monastery gardens are a popular destination for weddings and photo shoots. you enjoyed this video, please remember to click that thumbs up button to show your support, and feel free to share it out on your social media. If you're new to my channel, definitely click that red subscribe button and ring the bell button to be notified whenever I publish a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to watch. I appreciate you being a part of my travel community.